Hello YouTube. Today I'll be giving a quick tutorial on how to put taillights into your Viewliner baggage car. It's going to be a quick video. How I got the chassis off with helps is putting playing cards into the middle of the shell. I'm just prying it open gently, of course. Now, here is the name and the number for the taillight. See, it's for superliners as well. You can get these off Amazon. Now, the procedure is real simple. All you gotta do is, see these little slots right here? What you wanna do is, you wanna go this way, push it off, and then just pull it open. And then you will see this arrow. You wanna put the taillight facing the arrow. Make sure the taillight is on the copper strips. It's kind of hard with the phone right here. Then once you do that, you simply place the covering back over, and then you slide it back. Pressing down, and then you slide it back. This is going to happen. It's normal. Don't worry too much about it. It's going to happen. It looks like I'm missing a detailed piece. Yeah, I'm missing one of my stairs. Just going to just put that back on there, and then just follow the arrow wherever the arrow faces, and just put the chassis back where the arrow is showing. And be careful, and it should just snap back on, simple and easy. Hold on. Yep. All right, there you go. Yep, all done. All right, there it is. Thank you for watching. Gonna have like a little clip of it running and a shot or so of it on the layout with the lights on.